Hello, hello. Today I am going to show you how you can use social media pillows to spice up your social media videos. I'm Jade, hope you're doing well. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if this is your first time here, feel free to subscribe and hit that bell notification icon so that you'll know anytime I post something new. All right, as you can see behind me here, I have a collection of social media pillows that personally I use in my backdrops or as a prop in my social media videos, whether that be for YouTube or Facebook or Instagram. And these particular pillows are made by a company called Throwboy. They are one of the first companies to start making social media pillows, if I'm not mistaken, going all the way back to 2007. And they make high quality pillows. They're very plush. The colors are very bright. The elements or the text on the pillows is embroidered. There's even a hook at the back so that you can hook it up onto a wall when you're using them in your backdrops. And this compares to some of the cheaper versions that you'll find on Amazon, for example, which I find aren't as colorful, aren't as plush. There may not be a hook on the back. The lettering and the elements on the pillows aren't embroidered. So I highly recommend the Throwboy versions if you are looking for social media pillows. Now you can see amongst my pillows, I've got the YouTube subscribe button, so I can use that as a prop to say, don't forget to subscribe. I've got the monkey face, which I love. I've got the poop face. Actually, some people say that's chocolate ice cream. I don't know. What do you think? Is that chocolate ice cream or is that a poop face? Let me know down in the comments below. Hey, do you like monkey poop? Laugh out loud. I love monkey poop, but what I like even better is when you subscribe. Oh yeah, people subscribing, that's... Alright, so as always, leave any comments down below. Remember to give this video a nice big thumbs up, and let me use one of these as a prop. Don't forget to subscribe. Again, I'm Jade, and as always, rock and roll.